Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. And guys, and this is a new mid-range phone from Tecno, and this is the latest model that we have right now in the Tecno Camon 40 series. And this one has a curved AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display on the front. We also have IP69 water and dust resistance. On the back we have a 50 megapixel Sony cameras with ultra night feature. So we have 8 GB of RAM with the 256 GB of internal storage, and on the back we have some more specifications. So this phone is powered by new MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate SoC. We also have 5200 mAh battery size with a 45-watt super fast charging. We also have stereo speakers with the Dolby Atmos support. On the front we also have 50 megapixel selfie camera with autofocus as well. So we also have 8 megapixel ultra wide. The main camera has a optical image stabilization. So very excited to see that what is Camon 40 Pro has you offer in this price range. So this phone is costing around actually 65,000 PKR. Color I have is the emerald lake green color. We have 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of internal storage, Android 15 right out the box. So this one also is manufactured in Pakistan. So the box it is much different as compared to the previous Camon 30, and the Camon 30 is in the blue color, blue and white combination, while this one it is almost white, and we have these diamonds on the top. So let's remove the plastic from the Camon 40 Pro box. So on the side it says one tap flash snap. So we also have some AI features. It says Tecno AI. Open this box like this. So here is the mini box. So on the top we have Tecno Camon 40 Pro in the green color, lake green color. Once again, these are the main highlighting feature. So now let's start the phone from this wrapping. In case you can see, here is the highlighted color of the Tecno Camon 40 series, this lake green color. And the camera layout it comes in the silver look. On the back we have triple cameras. We have 50 megapixel OIS main camera with 8 megapixel ultra wide, and this green color comes in the matte finish, which feels really nice in the hand, although it is made up of plastic. The frame also it is made up of plastic. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. So now let's see what else we get under the phone. So we have it is a hard case with the bottom and the sides open for extra comfortness. So we have a warranty card, and here's our 45-watt super fast charger inside the box. So nice thing. We also have USB type C to USB A cable. I'm expecting to see a 65-watt adapter with the Camon 40 Pro, but we have 45-watt. We also have a semi-ejection tool inside the box, which is right there. Now let's put all these things to the side. So this one is running on latest Android 15. So we have this Ella, it is like a assistant. Now let's the physical overview first. So speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as SIM tray. So let's look at the SIM tray on the Camon 40 Pro. So we don't have any micro SD card support, looks like, but we have a 2 nano SIM support. So on the left hand side we have button. So on the top we have our air blaster and the speaker with another microphone. So volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button, it is on the right hand side. So overall I'm really liking the design language of the Camon 40 Pro. This phone gives us a new vibe. So on the front we have 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate. Also we have a center punch hole, and this one has a curved AMOLED display. Even the bottom chin it is really decent, not really big, not really small. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here's the first boot of the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. So you can see, and the UI it is completely changed. So in Tecno it is heavily advertising the AI. So we have iOS version 15 right out of the box. So all the icons it is completely changed. So it's the notification panel looks like, and the notification panel looks really similar to iOS. Now let's the max brightness, and display looks really bright, but not the brightest I would say. So anyways, now let's go to the settings. Now let's go my phone. So this one is running on latest Android 15 actually, with iOS version 15. So we have 256 GB of internal storage out of 22.14 GB it is already used. So now let's see the in-display fingerprint scanner. So the fingerprint scanner, it is not the fastest, I would say. Let's try one more time. So the animation is take almost 1 second. Now let's look at the camera. So this one has a powerful 50 megapixel OIS main camera. So here is the main camera looks like, and here is your 8 megapixel ultra wide, and here is the video mode. So we also have ultra steady mode. So the back camera maximum shoot only 1440p at 30 fps. We don't have any 4K support. And here is the HDR mode in the video, which is a really good thing. Also we have video stabilization, auto FPS. We also have mute recorder, AI focus, AI watermark. So all those things it is available. So here is the dual view video mode. Also inside the video we also have a bokeh mode, which give you a background blur. So here is the flash snap, and here is the portrait mode, which is also available with a different focal length. Here is the super night mode, also available with the ultra wide. So in the mode section we also have pro mode. We also have super macro mode, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. We also have vlog mode. So all those things it is available. So let's look at the front facing camera. So this one has a 50 megapixel selfie camera, and 50 megapixel I would say looks really decent. So here is the video mode. So the front facing camera also shoot only 1440p at 30 fps, no 4K support. And the front camera also has all these features. We also have video stabilization, auto FPS, audio, mute recorder, AI focus. So all those things it is available. And here is the portrait mode looks like, and here is the super night mode, and slow motion it is also available with the front facing camera, even with the back camera. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5200 mAh battery size, and overall regarding the Camon 40 Pro and the design and the cameras, even the software, it is massively improved on this Camon 40 Pro. The only thing I would say is not improved is the processor. We have same MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.